guys, it's me Familia here. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I can't believe that Thanksgiving already. It flew past by so fast, like it's crazy. Baby Avery's already awake. I have him facing that way to like watch Coco Melon. Right when I'm filming? Really? Here, puppy. Oh, how rude. So I'm gonna give him a cookie. I'm gonna start dinner already. I'm gonna start my stuffing and then get my bird ready for the oven. I think I'm gonna do the salad after. Not sure. We'll see how that works out. Oh, that was gross.
Athena, grab some of that butter. She's like, this is what I signed up for? Yeah. Athena, have you rubbed the turkey? You haven't even rubbed the turkey, girl. You gotta bless it. Yeah. Yeah. You got, oh.
That's okay.
You got butter on you, girl. I want to massage like that with butter. Ew! It was a bad job, mommy.
Like, I'm not being
like
involved
that?
with this.
I'm not doing this ever again.
She's looking at her hand to make sure she doesn't have any.
She's looking at Layla's hands like, does she have any other? Was that ugly? That was ew.
So my turkey is ready. I'm just waiting a few minutes for my stuffing to heat up, and I got these cute little placemats that they're able to, like, you know, have a little activity while they're waiting for dinner. And they have cute little stickers. And this mama's not even halfway ready, but I don't have time to do my hair because I was too busy cooking everything else. So yeah, y'all like my crazy hair? Oh my god, she is drawing on her plate instead on the mat. Hi. Say hi. Hi. You're so pretty. So this is my stuffing. I bought the bread. Potato salad. My bird is ready. And gravy, homemade smashed potato, and corn with butter, and our ham. And we are going to eat dinner. They're pretty wild. We're getting ready to family game.
Play Smash Brothers.
Smash Brothers.
You got the kids playing Smash Brothers? So competitive. Look, she's eating and she's playing. Mason's eating and he's playing.
She's playing VR in the PlayStation 4. We set it up in the living room for them, and they've been playing. Baby's tired.
Oh, he wants more milk.
So I'm completely exhausted of today. I just finished putting everything away and literally playing Tetris in my fridge, trying to fit everything that I cooked, because it's like I still have trays and stuff, and then like I already had like food, so it's like, where am I going to fit all of this? So that's it for today's video, guys. So I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving and a safe Thanksgiving. But that's it for today. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Layla said bye.
Bye.